a mysterious, invisible force, so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape it, slowly approaches our solar system. A black hole. What would happen if one came close to Earth? Would we be swallowed instantly? Would time slow down? Would the planet be torn apart? Or is there a chance we could survive? Today, we're diving deep into this cosmic mystery, exploring what would really happen if a black hole came too close to our home. First, let's understand what a black hole really is. A black hole forms when a massive star reaches the end of its life and collapses under its own gravity. The result? A region of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. That's why black holes appear completely black. No light, no reflections, just an empty void in space. But black holes aren't all the same. They come in different sizes. Some are relatively small, called stellar black holes, which are a few times the mass of our Sun. Others are supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the Sun's mass, often found at the centers of galaxies. But the real question is, what if one of these cosmic giants got too close to us? The good news? There isn't a black hole anywhere near us. The nearest known black hole, Gaia BH1, is about 1,600 light-years away. That's incredibly far. But for the sake of imagination, let's say a black hole is approaching our solar system. The effects of a black hole depend on its size and distance. If a black hole the size of our Sun passed by at a distance of, say, 100 million kilometers, roughly the distance from Earth to the Sun, what would happen? At that distance, Earth would still feel the black hole's gravity, but it wouldn't be immediately catastrophic. The orbits of the planets might shift slightly, and we might notice some unusual gravitational effects. But if it got much closer, say within a few million kilometers, that's when things would get serious. If a black hole approached, we wouldn't see it right away. Remember, black holes don't emit light, but we would notice their gravitational effects. One of the first warning signs? Disturbances in the outer solar system. The orbits of distant objects like Pluto and Neptune would start to change slightly. Space agencies would detect strange gravitational anomalies. Planets might wobble in their orbits, and comets could be pulled off their usual paths. Then, as the black hole got closer, we'd see even more dramatic changes. The closer a black hole gets, the more its gravity starts pulling on everything around it. The first major impact would be on our Sun. A black hole doesn't suck things in like a vacuum, but its intense gravity warps space itself. If a black hole got close enough, it could start pulling material from the Sun, creating a swirling disk of superheated gas around it. This would create a brilliant display of X-rays and radiation, visible from Earth as a terrifyingly bright spectacle in the sky. The Sun's structure could become unstable, leading to massive solar flares, possibly disrupting satellites and power grids on Earth. Then, the planets, including Earth, would start to feel the full force of the black hole's gravity. If the black hole got within a few million kilometers, Earth's orbit would be thrown into chaos. The gravitational pull could yank us away from the Sun, sending us spiraling into deep space where we would freeze in total darkness. Or, if the black hole passed on the other side, it might pull us toward it, stretching and distorting the planet as we get closer. One terrifying effect? Tidal forces. Just like the Moon pulls on Earth's oceans, a black hole's gravity would pull unevenly on different parts of our planet. The side closer to the black hole would experience much stronger gravity than the far side. This could literally stretch the Earth into an oval shape, causing massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. If the black hole got even closer, within thousands of kilometers, the planet itself would begin to break apart, its crust ripped away as the intense gravitational forces overcome the strength of rock and metal. And then, the most terrifying moment of all, spaghettification. If Earth ever reached the point of no return, called the event horizon, everything would be over. Spaghettification is what happens when something falls into a black hole. Because the gravity is much stronger at your feet than at your head, You'd be stretched into a long, thin strand, like spaghetti. The same would happen to our planet. First, the atmosphere would be stripped away, then the oceans, then the continents. Even the very atoms that make up Earth would be pulled apart, stretching into thin streams of particles before vanishing into the black hole forever. No trace of Earth would remain. Not even light can escape a black hole. Everything we've ever known, our history, our civilization, everything would be lost. Are we completely helpless? Could humanity do anything to prevent this fate? If we had enough warning, we might be able to build interstellar spacecraft and escape to another solar system before the black hole arrived. But that would require advanced technology far beyond what we have today. Some scientists have suggested that, in theory, a highly advanced civilization could create gravitational engines, massive structures capable of altering planetary orbits. If we had something like that, we might be able to move Earth away from danger. But as of now, we have no such technology. If a black hole came too close, all we could do is watch and wait for the inevitable. The good news? The chances of this happening are extremely low. Space is vast, and black holes don't roam randomly looking for planets to devour. The nearest known black holes are far, far away, and none are heading toward us. So while it's fun and a little terrifying to imagine, we don't have to worry about being swallowed by a black hole anytime soon. But the universe is full of mysteries, and black holes remain one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in existence. Perhaps one day we'll understand them better. Maybe we'll even find ways to explore them safely without getting stretched into spaghetti. Until then, the black holes remain silent, hidden giants in the depths of space, waiting for us to uncover their secrets. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more space mysteries next time. See you in the next video.